Hello everyone, so today we are taking a look at the screen extender. So here's something I love about this. This is very lightweight. Most of these are way overweight and kind of bulky and annoying. But not this one. It's so sleek, nice design. I hope the quality's nice because I'm really liking this a lot. Wow, this was so easy. We just connected the HDMI plug to our HDMI port and then a USB to Type C, and that's it. So on the back here, you just simply plug, and that's it. We didn't actually have to use this one at all. And as you guys can see, this quality's nice. I like this. I like this a lot. So you can mirror your first screen, or you can use this as a second screen. And you just go under your display settings, and we have our display right here. And if we scroll down, you go down to multiple displays, and we're gonna do expand. Let's see, keep changes. So when you expand, that means you can put something over here, and you can have something up over here while you have something over here. So we're gonna go, so it's not mirrored anymore. So now we have two separate screens with two separate things. Or you can switch it back and you can have it mirror where when you do something on here, it shows the same thing over here. But I'm very impressed. It's lightweight, the quality is crisp and clear. I have no complaints whatsoever about this. I'm very, very happy with this. Like, this is very, very nice. Setup was so easy. Like, it took me 30 seconds. You just plug and play. Like, it's amazing. Great job, brand. Great job, product. It's not bulky. It's not overly heavy. You can easily move it around. No problem. If you want it flat, you can have it flat. You can turn it the whole way. Great job. A++ for me.